Through every decade, one thing has remained constant. Trade unions make work better. Here in Wales, we have used devolved powers creatively, from the promotion of fair work to social partnership to public procurement that values good employers. These are gains rooted in trade union values and sustained by trade union voices. But as we look ahead, from 2026, the task before us is clear. Rights on paper must become rights in practice. New forms of work must not mean new forms of exploitation, and the next generation of workers must inherit not weaker protections, but stronger ones. So as we begin this Congress, let us remember the struggles behind every date, every law, every right. Let us celebrate what collective action has achieved. And let us commit together to shaping a future of secure, fairly paid and dignified work for everyone in Wales.